bought 80 kg sugar at the rate of rupees 13.50 kg. He mixed it with 120 kg of sugar costing rupees 16 per kg in order to make a profit of 20%. He must sell the mixture at. In this, when we are here, we are mixing. Here we are mixing how much? Here we are mixing sugar which are having two different prices. Okay, so there is a one quantity of sugar, either low or high, that is having different price, and here we are having another quantity of sugar that is having different price. Okay, then we are mixing these two sugars. Okay, how much kg we are mixing? Okay, we are mixing in order so that we get effectively another price. Okay, we get different amount of sugar with different price. Okay, if you mix this, so how much quantity will become and how much price will become, we will find out this method. Okay, here this quantity 1, this is quantity 2. Okay, here the price is how much? 13.50 per kg, and this quantity, what is the price? 16 rupees per kg. Now if we mix this two quantities with the different prices, what happens is we will get here. Okay, here we just write quantity. Okay, in this method you just write quantity. Okay, so we mixed the quality of, we mixed this quantity 1 sugar which is having the price of 13.50 rupees per kg. How much quantity we have mixed? 80 kg. Okay, and this quantity, how much we have mixed? 16 rupees 16 per kg quantity. The quantity of this quality is how much? 120. So you just find out this ratio. Okay, so what is the ratio? The ratio is how much? 2/3 to 2:3. 2:3. Now to find out this part in this diagram, okay, this minus this will be this, and this minus this will be this. Okay, okay, here in this part what happens is, this is higher, this minus this mixture. Now we are finding out the price per kg of a mixture. Price per kg of the mixture depends on the quantity we are mixing, and also the price per kg that is we are mixing, right? So how to find out this price, that is rupees per kg of the mixture? How do we find? It depends on the quantity. What the quantity here this first quantity is 80, the second quantity is 120, so the ratio of 80 to 120 is 2:3. Now to find out this part, how much this place, what we have to do is 2 by 2 plus 3 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 5 into difference. So what is the difference between 16 minus 13.5? How much? 2.5 into 2.5. So how much we are getting? 1. So here we are getting 1. Okay, here we are getting 1. The same way here 3. Okay, 3 by 3 plus 2 5 into the difference. What is the difference? To 1.5. 1.5. So we got 1 here, 1.5 here. So how much we subtract this from 16 so that we will get 1? So here it will be 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Okay, 16 minus 15 is 1. Here 15 minus 1.5 is 13.5, right? 15 minus 1.5, or 15 minus 13.5. 15 minus 13.5 is 1.5. So we got this is 15 is nothing but price of the mixture. This is price of the mixture. So in the chapter of mixture and allocations, we will find the mixtures price by using this method. Okay, so now we are using this method. To find the mixtures price. Okay, so how we are finding the mixtures price? First, we are noting down the quantity. Okay, here at the downside. Now here also we are noting down the quantity. Okay, so just you write this diagram. This is the price of the first mixture, the price per kg of the second mixture, and here in this circle you will get the price of the mixture after combining. Now how we are calculating is, see, here we have calculated the ratio of the quantity. So 80 to 120 is 2:3. Then as these two quantities are mixed, then here we are finding 2 by 2 plus 3, 5 into the difference of these two prices, that is 2.5 into 2.5 is 1. So here we got 1. So 16 minus 15 equal to 1. 15 minus 13.5 equal to 1.5. Here how we got 1.5? 3 by 2 plus 3, the ratios, the addition of ratios, 3 by 5 into 2.5. The 2.5 here is also the difference between prices. So we got 1.5. So 15 minus 13.5 is 1.5. Okay, we know the 1.5, we know the 13.5. Here also we got 15. So 15 is the mixtures price is how much? Rupees 15 per kg. But this two we want to sell for how much price we want to sell to have profit of 20%. So here, so what is the 20% of this 15? 3 rupees per kg. So we are selling this mixture for 15 plus 3, 18 rupees per kg. Okay, so we are selling this for 18 rupees per kg. Okay, so in this problem what we have done is, when we are mixing two quantities with different prices, okay, so different qualities, different prices, so after combining, what is a mixture's price, okay, and what is its quantity? So here, as we know that the quantity will be always 120 plus 80, 200 kg, but here we are finding out the price. So how to find the price? So we are finding the price by using this method. So we use this method in mixture and allocations. Okay, here how we are finding it? We are finding it, just I have explained it. Okay,